Weight loss often results from eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly. But if you're eating healthfully and working out and not losing weight, there may be a reason. You might not notice weight loss or your desired results even when you do everything right. Whether it's something as simple as what you're eating or an unnoticed habit, these pitfalls could be sabotaging your progress. So, in today's video, we will be talking about 10 most common mistakes that could be holding you back from your weight loss goals. Number 1. Inaccurate calorie counting. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to lose weight is inaccurate calorie counting. You might be eating more than you think, even if you're diligently tracking your food intake. Hidden calories often come from overlooked sources like sauces, dressings, oils, or even beverages. Portion sizes also play a major role. What you think is a small serving could actually contain more calories than you realize. Studies show that people tend to underestimate calorie intake by as much as 40%, which can easily sabotage weight loss efforts. To combat this, make sure to measure your portions properly and account for everything you eat or drink, no matter how small it may seem. Number 2. Insufficient sleep. Not getting enough sleep can significantly hinder your weight loss efforts. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. When you're sleep-deprived, ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases, making you feel hungrier, while leptin, hormone that signals fullness, decreases. This combination can lead to overeating and cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods to boost energy. Additionally, lack of sleep can slow your metabolism and reduce your body's ability to burn fat. Studies show that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep per night are more likely to struggle with weight loss, even if they are eating well and exercising regularly. Prioritizing quality sleep, around 7 to 9 hours per night, can improve your hormone balance, reduce cravings, and help you achieve better results from your weight loss efforts. Do you often find yourself sacrificing sleep for other priorities? Or how it has affected your weight loss goal? Share your experience in the comments. Number 3. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances are another hidden culprit that can significantly affect your ability to lose weight. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, thyroid hormones, and sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone play a key role in regulating metabolism, appetite, and fat storage. When these hormones are out of balance, it can lead to weight gain or make it extremely difficult to shed pounds. For example, thyroid disorders. An underactive thyroid or hypothyroidism slows down your metabolism, leading to weight gain and difficulty losing weight, even with proper diet and exercise. Insulin resistance. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, it stores more fat, especially around the abdomen, and increases hunger, leading to overeating. Cortisol. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which encourages fat storage, particularly around the belly. High cortisol also triggers cravings for sugary and fatty foods, further disrupting weight loss efforts. If you suspect a hormonal imbalance is affecting your weight loss, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper testing and diagnosis. Balancing your hormones through lifestyle changes, medications, or specific treatments can help you get back on track with your weight loss journey. Number 4. Stress eating. Stress is one of the most common triggers for overeating, especially when it comes to comfort foods high in sugar, salt, and fat. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that increases your appetite and cravings for calorie-dense, sugary, and fatty foods. This leads to stress eating, where food becomes a coping mechanism to deal with emotions rather than hunger. Stress eating often results in consuming more calories than your body needs, which can easily derail your weight loss goals. Additionally, chronic stress can disrupt sleep, digestion, and metabolic functions, making it harder for your body to burn fat efficiently. To combat stress eating, it's important to recognize your emotional triggers and develop healthier coping strategies, like practicing mindfulness, engaging in physical activity, or seeking social support. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, can also help reduce the urge to reach for food when you're feeling overwhelmed. Number 5. Not drinking enough water. Water plays a critical role in weight loss, and not drinking enough can slow down your progress. Staying hydrated boosts your metabolism, helps control hunger, and supports overall bodily functions. When you're dehydrated, your body can mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking and increased calorie intake. Proper hydration also helps with digestion and the elimination of waste, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, water can help increase the feeling of fullness. Drinking a glass before meals may reduce the amount of food you eat by making you feel fuller faster. Studies have shown that people who drink more water tend to lose more weight than those who don't. To ensure you're getting enough water, aim to drink at least 8 glasses per day, and even more if you exercise regularly or live in a hot climate. Keeping a water bottle with you throughout the day can help you stay on track with your hydration goals. Number 6. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast is a common habit for many, but it can be a significant obstacle to weight loss. When you skip the first meal of the day, it can lead to a number of metabolic and behavioral issues. First, your body goes into a fasted state for an extended period, which can slow down your metabolism. This means your body starts conserving energy rather than burning calories efficiently. Additionally, skipping breakfast often leads to increased hunger later in the day, causing overeating during lunch or dinner. You're more likely to make unhealthy food choices or snack on high-calorie, sugary foods to compensate for the energy deficit. Studies have shown that individuals who eat a healthy breakfast tend to have better control over their appetite. Start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which can keep you fuller for longer and support a healthy metabolism. Number 7. Eating late at night. Eating late at night can be detrimental to your weight loss goals for several reasons. First, your metabolism naturally slows down in the evening, meaning that the calories you consume late at night are more likely to be stored as fat rather than burned for energy. Additionally, late-night eating often leads to consuming unhealthy, high-calorie, and sugary foods, which can contribute to weight gain. Studies show that eating close to bedtime can disrupt sleep quality, which in turn affects your body's ability to regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. Poor sleep and irregular meal times can lead to increased hunger the next day, making it harder to control cravings and portion sizes. Furthermore, eating late can also cause digestive issues like acid reflux, which can further disturb sleep and negatively impact your metabolism. To avoid the pitfalls of late-night eating, try to have your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Focus on balanced meals throughout the day to reduce late-night hunger and cravings. If you do need a snack before bed, opt for a light, protein-rich option that won't overload your system with unnecessary calories. Number 8. Underlying medical conditions. Certain medical conditions can make it much harder to lose weight, even when you're following a proper diet and exercise routine. These conditions often affect your metabolism, hormones, or the way your body processes food. Some common examples include hypothyroidism. When the thyroid gland is underactive, it slows down metabolism, leading to weight gain and making weight loss difficult. Polycystic ovary syndrome, hormone levels in women and can lead to insulin resistance, which causes the body to store more fat, especially in the abdominal area. Insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. When your body doesn't respond well to insulin, it struggles to regulate blood sugar levels, often leading to increased fat storage. Cushing's syndrome. This condition leads to elevated cortisol levels, promoting fat storage, particularly around the belly, and can also cause muscle loss, making it harder to burn calories. Sleep apnea. This sleep disorder is often linked with obesity, but it can also prevent effective weight loss by disrupting metabolism and causing fatigue, which can reduce physical activity. If you suspect an underlying medical condition is affecting your weight loss efforts, consult a healthcare professional. Proper diagnosis and treatment of these conditions are essential to successfully managing weight and improving overall health. Number 9. Not enough protein. Insufficient protein intake is a common oversight that can significantly impact your weight loss efforts. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it also plays a crucial role in appetite regulation and metabolism. High-protein diets have been shown to promote feelings of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. When you don't consume enough protein, you may feel hungrier throughout the day, leading to increased cravings for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, a lack of protein can result in muscle loss, especially when combined with a calorie deficit. This can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to burn calories efficiently. To support your weight loss journey, aim to incorporate lean sources of protein into your meals, such as chicken, fish, beans, lentils, Greek yogurt, and tofu. This will help keep you satisfied, promote muscle retention, and enhance your body's ability to burn fat. Prioritizing protein can make a significant difference in achieving your weight loss goals. Number 10. Lack of consistency. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the most common reasons people struggle to lose weight. Regular physical activity is crucial for burning calories, building muscle, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. When you don't engage in enough movement throughout the day, your body burns fewer calories, making it more challenging to achieve a calorie deficit for weight loss. Incorporating even small amounts of physical activity can have a significant impact. Research indicates that regular exercise not only helps in burning calories, but also enhances mood and reduces stress, both of which are beneficial for weight management. Furthermore, strength training is particularly effective as it builds muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Finding ways to be more active can help kickstart your weight loss journey and improve overall health. So that's a wrap on 10 common mistakes you are making in your weight loss journey. Remember, every small step you take is a step closer to your weight loss goal. Progress is progress, no matter how slow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty truths. See you in the next video.